Good luck to the Black Stars on their first match against Portugal in this World Cup today. But before the match, let's make this very healthy, delicious Wrewre soup and fill our tummy. Welcome, Yummy. If today is the first time here, and to my returning subscribers, I say Ayiko. So to make this, it is so simple. Get your Wrewre seeds or wild melon seeds and pick all the unwanted ones out from it. Once you are done picking it, pour in some water and wash it very well. So once you are done washing it, strain the seeds and on a serving tray or any flat surface, spread it on and allow it to dry. Meanwhile, prep your fishes and your meat or any protein that you'll be using. Now, once the melon seeds are about 70% or 80% dry, in a pan, pour everything in and on a low or medium heat, start roasting the melon seeds. So whilst roasting it, you'll see that the color will change a little bit, but do not worry, that is fine because it was not fully dry before I poured mine in. So after some time, it starts changing color to brown. That is when you know it is almost okay. Now add in some spices to it, and I have some black peppercorn, grains of psyllium, some anise seeds, and some cloves. I'm going to list everything down in the description. And also I have 1 calabash nutmeg too here. I'll take out the shell and roast it. So roast it for about 1 minute and then take it out from the fire. Now on that same serving tray or any flat surface, just spread it on and allow it to cool down. So whilst the melon seeds are cooling down in your pan, add your protein of your choice, and I am using some meat. Then add some chopped onions followed by some seasoning powder and some salt. Cover and allow it to start steaming. Now at this point, your wild melon seeds and the spices are cooled down completely. Now take everything and put it in a blender, add some water and blend it into a nice Wrewre paste. So once you achieve the nice Wrewre paste, add about half size of onions and then add some water to it, blend it again. Okay, yummies, this is how mine looks and the aroma of it is just so nice. Now pour some water in and through a colander, sieve it nicely. So the chaff of it, we don't want it, but if you have hens at home, you can spread it somewhere for the hens to enjoy it. So after about 5 to 8 minutes, stir your meat so that it doesn't get stick to the bottom of the pan and cover it once again, and then strain your melon juice for the second time. When your sonnier, your colander or your sieve have big holes, you can strain your melon juice for the third time. When your meat is well steamed for about 15 minutes, incorporate some vegetables in, and with me I have some onion, pepper, ginger, garlic and tomato, and then pour in your Wrewre juice. Look at this. Now at this point, if you want to add some tomato paste, go ahead and just add about 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of it. Give it a very nice taste for salt and cover to start cooking. So yummies, when your Wrewre soup starts to boil, take out all the vegetables and put them in a blender or ayua If you are using blender, add a little bit of water to it and then blend it into a nice consistency. Now, if you have some dried fish and some smoked fishes, hey, yummies, add them to it. When I was in Ghana, I used to love this soup with impata. Hey! So after blending your vegetables, pour it back into your soup, rinse the blender and add it back. Taste for salt again and then cover it on a medium heat for about 15 minutes or on a very low heat. Let it boil and cook very well. Now, if you have some okros, add kweku, kwame, yao, and enchi to it. Cover it and let it simmer on a very low heat. Now, this is mine and I enjoyed it with some fufu. As I am making this voiceover, I am patiently waiting for our Black Stars to play and win against Portugal. I'm going to see you again in another video. Till then, choose.